How to increase Milestone Credit Card limit. Welcome to Lemme Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. If you want a way to increase your credit limit with a milestone, you will have to be responsible with your credit uses. That is, making your monthly payments on time and in full. This demonstrates your ability to handle credit responsibly, which might prompt Milestone to review your limit internally after a period of good history, which is typically from 6 to 12 months. Next is to improve your credit score. If you use a Milestone card responsibly and manage your credit card overall, your credit score will improve. This improvement might lead Milestone to automatically re-evaluate your credit worthiness and grant a limit increase. Sadly, there is no direct way to apply for a formal program to increase a credit limit, and you have to use those mentioned alternative ways. We hope that you found it informative to you. That's all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.